All right, everyone, welcome to the Explore stage of Course 4, Module 3. In this part, we're going to bring our habit story to life with voice narration, turning your written words into spoken audio right inside Canva. If you want to follow along with me with your own text, go ahead and retrieve your 5-year vision from Course 3, Module 4, or just watch me for now and follow along with my Simon example. Here's the 5-year Simon milestone we'll use for this demo. Simon walked through a quiet garden at a retreat center where they now worked. The path was lined with smooth stones and air was filled with the scent of flowers and rain. Birds sang softly in the trees. Wow, I can already start to get the visual in my mind. So once I find my text, I'm going to copy all of it. I'm going to open up my storybook project in Canva. So I just go to canva.com. Have my storybook project here, the same file that we worked on as the cover, the 1-month page, and the 1-year video page. So I'll click that to open it up and look through and see, yes, everything's looking good so far. I've got my video here that we did last module. And I'm going to go ahead and duplicate that page again so that I have something to start with. I will select the video and delete it, and that way I still have my placeholder there. And I have my text here that I need to change. I will select all of the text from the body, right-click paste, and then I've got my 5-year version in here. I can just look at this. This is size 42 and bold. So I'll just triple-click the first line, make that 42 and bold, put it in the middle, and then I can get rid of this one. I think what I'll do is I'll make this a little bit smaller, move this up, and one more enter. I'll get rid of this last paragraph. I like to try to match it into that pink box. Move this up a little bit so that we get that nice, almost invisible box that looks like the same size. Border going around the side. All right, so now we have our text in here. We're going to fill this space in later. But for now, we're going to add in the audio because this focus here for this lesson is the text-to-speech. So to get the audio, the first thing that we're going to do is use Canva's built-in AI audio. And the way that you can access that is by going into Elements and then scrolling down past the shapes, graphics, stickers, AI image generation. If you want to do image generation, that's a quick way to access that. Photos, videos. Here we go, audio. We're just going to click here where it says See All and then where it says Generate AI Voice. So we click on that one. It looks like we've got a couple of different options here for voices, but we don't have much in regards to the emotion or the tone or the pacing. And so we'll just see what it looks like here. We'll go ahead and select everything again here, copy, and then paste it into this box. It looks like we only have 4 voices here to choose from. Let's go ahead and you can click on the play button to listen.
After 5 years, a life transformed. Simon walked through a quiet garden at a retreat center where they...
Oh, sounds like the actual Simon voice I use.
After 5 years, a life transformed. Simon walked through a quiet garden at a retreat center where they...
Okay. I'm going to choose Ralph here
After
for this
5
one.
years.
And let's see here, English. There's a bunch of different languages that you can choose, but I like Ralph speaking English. And then I click here, Generate AI Voice. It's going to generate the AI voice. Now, once the AI voice was created, they added another little blue bar down here. Now, this is actually the sound of the voice narration. And so as you can see these little lines, as the different sounds comes through, it goes up and down. Now, to listen to this, what I would need to do is, so there's a play button up here. If I click on that, it's going to start us from the beginning. Now, we don't have anything set up for the first couple pages. We have our story. We have a little bit of sound here from our video.
After 5 years, a life transformed. Simon walked through a quiet garden at a retreat center where they now worked. The path was lined with smooth stones, and the air was filled with the scent of flowers and rain.
All right, so now what happened was, as I was playing it, it showed the text for a little bit, but then it went to a blank page. This audio file was almost 50 seconds long. And so what we can do, we can change the length of our slide by simply going up here and editing the timing. I'm going to click on the voice just to see how long it is. It's 54.4 seconds. If I click back up here and click on edit the timing, I can go 54.4 and press enter. Okay, let's test it now. I'm gonna go ahead and skip over here to the end.
Feeling the cool earth beneath them. Their life wasn't perfect, but it was full of meaning. Meditation had helped them find a quiet strength, and now they were helping others do the same.
Perfect. So you can see right at the end of the talking, it went to the next slide. We can go ahead and close that out and delete this last slide that they added in because this is now the correct length. Now, if you're happy with the AI voice from Canva, you can go ahead and leave it at that. But I wanted to look at the different kinds of apps that Canva has to offer because I think there are some better options for AI text to audio. And so we're going to go ahead and look at the apps now. If you click over here where it says apps, there are a lot of different apps that are integrated into Canva that you can use. And so you can see all the different kinds of apps here. They have some top picks. I'm going to go ahead and search though, because I know exactly what I'm looking for. Text to speech and see what comes up. So as you type in text to speech, you can see some of them are related to text. Some of them are related to painting or sketching. The first one here is the AI voice, and that's the one that we've already been using. So this next one, when you click on it, it's called text to speech and it says created by audio.ai. And so what's cool about Canva is this is from Audio AI, which is a service that offers text to speech, but it's embedded inside of Canva. And so when I click on open, you can see I have almost the same interface, but with much more options. So I can enter the text here. I already have it copied, so I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that and type in paste. Notice at the top, this one gives you 2,000 characters. Luckily, ours is only 861 characters. That just means the letters and the periods and the punctuation and the spaces. If yours is too long, you can always trim your script, maybe go through and take out a couple parts that are not really necessary in here, just so that it fits into that 2,000. I can select the language here and you can see this one has so many languages to choose from. I'm just going to go with the English from the US. And then if you look here, there's so many different voices to choose from. So I can click on, let's say I want to click on this.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and so much more.
Sounds okay. See Anna Kids.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, text, and more.
Wow. It's really got that kid's speech. We've got Bruce. Let's check out what Bruce sounds like.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and so much more.
Sounds like the Simon voice to me. This one here says emotion. So I'm going to click on this one. You can choose the different kind of emotion. So if you want it to just be chatty, angry, let's see what an angry voice sounds like.
He waved to acknowledge the crowd, and then he waved again.
Doesn't sound very angry. What does the cheerful sound like?
He waved to acknowledge the crowd, and then he waved again.
Okay, it looks like maybe it's not registering the emotions in the preview. Let's just go with Davis, and then let's go for a hopeful emotion. The volume, let's see, extra soft, medium. We'll just go with the soft because we're talking about meditation, so I feel like a soft, hopeful voice would be good. I can change the speed and the pitch, but I don't really want to mess with that right now. And so now that I have my settings and I've got my speech in there, I can click create audio. Now, when the app is fully integrated into Canva and it doesn't rely on an outside source, usually it creates it right away. So we saw that with the AI image generation and then also the video generation. But this one is connected to an outside website. And so whenever something is connected to an outside website, usually they're going to make you sign up because there is a limit to how much you can create, especially on a free account. So what we can do, we can click where it says connect, and it's going to open up a sign in to audio.ai. Now, if you already have an account, you can click log in with Google. I don't have an account, and so I'm going to click down here where it says sign up. And to keep it easy, I'm just going to sign up with Google and use our Teaching and Learning Center email. Click continue. And I'm going to go down here to where it says create audio. Now, be careful because underneath the create audio, it says 1,000 characters remaining. Need more? Visit audio.ai/pricing. So it looks like with this one, I'm only going to be able to create one audio file. And so keep that in mind when you are experimenting with this. If you need more, you can go to this website, the pricing website. So I'll just copy that website just so that we can see what the pricing is. And anytime you're using an AI tool, always check the pricing first. Usually they'll give you something free to start with, but usually it's very limited. So we can use all the voices and languages. We can use it in Canva, but we can only use 1,000 characters. If we wanted to get a bigger version, first of all, make sure we're on the monthly plan. I can pay $25 to get 300,000 characters per month, and I can cancel anytime, which is nice. I don't know if I like it yet, so I'm going to come back. I'm just going to try the free version here and see what it can come up with. Now, I've already created audio for this one. Since I only have 1,000 characters remaining, I'm actually going to choose a different one. We'll go ahead and go to our first one here. And so this is a little sneak peek of what we're going to be doing in our final module, bringing it all together. All pages in our project need to have some sort of audio or visual component to it. And so we're going to have to make audio for the first page of our story. So I'm just going to Control A, select everything, Control C, and then Control V. And then now I have my audio from before that I already created. And then I'm going to add this new audio in for the first page. I'll click Create Audio. And since I'm signed in, now it should automatically create the audio for me. Okay, so now down here at the bottom, I've got my yellow audio. So if I click play, let's see, this should come for about 5 minutes and then it should start.
After 1 month, a new beginning. Simon sat on a soft cushion in their bedroom. The morning light came through the window.
And so as you can see already, the page is still set to 5 seconds, but the audio 57.6. So if you remember, I'm just going to click on the page again. Up here where it says 5, I'll go to 57.6. Now, it looks like it moved this one over. I was just going to move this one back over to here. And so now we've got our audio for each of the different pages. And so all we need now is just audio for this last page. And so what we can do now, we've got our audio in here for our 2 pages. Let's go ahead and share this project. Share, download. We're going to download it as an MP4 video file because that's going to have the audio and visuals in it together. The quality doesn't matter. And you could choose 1 through 4, or if you just want to do, let's say the page 2, that 1 month, that's the one that we just added this nice audio. I'm going to click download. All right, we've got our project here. I could just go ahead and click that and we'll bring it on over.
After 1 month, a new beginning. Simon sat on a soft cushion in their bedroom. The morning light came through the window, warm and gentle. Outside, birds chirped. Inside, everything was still.
All right. That is page 2 of your storybook with some nice AI audio narration. Now it's your turn.